Did you know peppers is one of the easiest crops to grow? Yes, guys, they germinate well, they transplant well, and in all fairness, are fairly resistant to pests and diseases. So they are the perfect candidates to grow in pots or containers. So guys, I'm going to show you how I grow mine, starting from seeds right now. So to start, you want to ensure that you have a potting or seeding mixture that is organic and of good quality. We have two methods of sowing seeds, single seeding or multi-seeding method. We will be using the multi-seeding method. Consider this cup to be just one cell if you are using a seeding tray. Sprinkle several seeds randomly instead of just one in the center. Sink them to about a centimeter and cover them lightly. If you are considering 300 or more seedlings, it is better to use the multi-seeding method, as this will only require one tray as opposed to the single seeding method where you will be requiring maybe 4 or 5 trays. So as I said, peppers germinate well, so in a week or so you will be seeing sprouts coming up. We allow them to grow another 2 weeks or so before prepping them for transition to larger pots. At this point, you can put them into 4-inch pots if you are preparing them for sale or if you are consider putting them into containers. So now you'll be adding your favorite organic potting mix to the container of choice. You will not want to fill it all the way up. So right here we have some seedlings that are ready to be separated and transplanted. It is very much possible that these roots are tangled. So how do we go about separating these plants? There is actually a very easy way to detach without damaging the roots of these plants. By simple water application at low pressure, the roots can be detached very easily. In doing this, we got to be very gentle and it may take a little time. The aim is to have them separated with little or no damage to the roots. So as you are seeing, they are coming apart easily, and the aim now is to get them into the ground. Some healthy roots we are having here. So we now prepare the holes, plug these plants in deeply and cover them with some soil. It is quite necessary that we remove the first 2 or 3 leaves. Then we add some more soil to give it a sturdier base. So once all of that is done, we lightly compress the soil so that the roots and the soil make perfect contact. We now water them in and prepare to put them at a place where there is filtered sunlight for a couple days. Why filtered sunlight? Though these plants may transplant well, they are now being placed into a new environment, into a new container. So to reduce the effect of transplant shock, we allow these plants to adapt gradually to their new environment. After a few days, they can be removed and placed into the location of choice. You may also want to introduce mulching to your plants to preserve moisture. Also, to prevent splattering when doing direct watering.